Welcome to Someone Corner. Northern California talking real estate realtor.
Me translation? Open houses are alive and well, even in 2023. So if you're toying around with selling this year, be open to an open house. A study showed 41% of buyers attended an open house during their home search. 6 keys to a successful open house in 2023. 1. Take care of the clutter, depersonalize, and if possible, stage. 2. Move all the cars out of the driveway and find a place for pets. 3. Absolutely no candles or air fresheners, at least the day of. 4. Weekends work best, and good weather is A+. 5. Personally spread the word to your social media networks. 6. Ask for feedback from attendees. Have you attended an open house? What worked, or didn't? Drop in the comments below. To acquire a private show on any properties, don't hesitate to get in touch with Rodney Som at 209-539-2915 at your convenience. Or visit us on the web at www.som1realty.com.